What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the blade on any edger. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So to remove the blade on any edger is super simple. All you need is a socket set or an adjustable wrench, and you also need a little screwdriver. Now, as you try and undo this nut here, you'll notice that it rotates freely. What we need to do is lock this in place in order to remove that nut. And the way we do this is with a little secret section right here in the back that you can see there. There's a little hole. I'll bring you guys in closer so I can show you what I'm talking about. So if we have a look behind the blade, you'll notice there's one single hole behind there, and you can actually see silver behind it. So as we rotate it, that hole rotates as well. And what we need to do is look for the opening. So at the moment, that's blocked off by the silver section behind it. So if we rotate this one here all the way around, I'll try zoom in to keep this in view for you guys, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. As we rotate it, you can see there we've got an opening, so that's the silver. Then we've got an opening, and then it returns back to silver again. So all we need to do is just leave it in that open position right there. And then we can simply drop the screwdriver straight into the back, and that's going to lock this in position for us. So once you've found the opening, simply take a screwdriver, drop it straight into that hole, and that's going to lock this into position. You can see there it no longer rotates. So now we can take our adjustable wrench or our socket set. Now remembering with these ones here, same thing with the circular saw grinder, what we need to do is do it in the opposite direction. So usually it's lefty loosey, righty tighty, which means go to the left, it'll unwind. This one here, we need to actually go to the right. So that there is going to break the seal. Take that one there off. We'll put this one here on the side, take our little flange. We can remove our old one, put in the new one, and simply put everything back the way it was. Now remembering once again, this one here is in the opposite direction, so we need to go to the left. We've still got that screwdriver in place, so that's going to hold everything nice and locked in for us. Tighten that one there up, remove your screwdriver, and it's nice and simple, guys. That is how to replace a blade on any edger. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. You've learned something new. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.